Hi, I'm Maggie, an instructor with the Miami Association of Realtors, and I wanted to share more information with you regarding NewHomeSource Professional, a platform that allows you to search new construction and pre-construction homes. You can simply type a city and state in the search bar and hit enter or click on the magnifying glass. Once you get your search results, you can search by homes, communities, you can save or email the listing, or you can print a report. You have the option to do so here, and you also have the option to do so here on the right-hand side. If you print a report, you can choose an agent version or a client version. The client version will be generated with your contact information and your branding. Just remember to update your profile. It'll give home details, and if you continue scrolling, it will even include floor plans. All you have to do is click a few times and receive free branded materials from NewHomeSource Professional. Not only that, NewHomeSource Professional also gives you a free website. This is consumer friendly, showingnew.com. You can share this with your consumer. It will be branded with your information, and now they can create an account and conduct their own searches, save their own searches, and communicate that with you. If you have any other questions regarding NewHomeSource Professional, feel free to ask us. And as always, thank you for being a Miami member.